We have here the world card, but as you can see, there's two energies present here. So it looks like someone here is actually starting a new world, which is a new chapter of life. Like there's some kind of an ending na nakikita ko rito. Someone here is already ending, okay, the connection, the situation, or whatever it is. Okay? Pero yung isa is like it's like this person here is ayaw mag-dive into that new world, no? Nakahawak siya sa labas, no, ng frame ng mirror. So whatever the case may be, it's like someone here is ayaw niya rito na mag-end tong situation na to fully or hindi parehas. Hindi parehas kayo rito ng gusto. So, meron ditong gustong i-end to ng tuluyan or matagal na talaga tong tapos, pero yung isa, pwedeng hindi pa niya na-accept ito, no? Or yung isa, ayaw tong matapos. Para kayo ritong nasa tug of war. Alam niyo yun? Yung magkabila kayo, no? Kilahan ng lubid, no? Yung usong game. Yan. And I think this is all about here, strength, lakas, tibay ng loob, no? Parang involved dito sa reading nyo yan. Aalamin natin yan kung ano bang nangyayari rito, collective. Tug of War. Naglaro ba kayo sa Christmas party niyan? Yung pinanalunan nyo sa Christmas party, yun yung binayad nyo sa shopping, no? Di ba ko endorser na shopping? Oh, okay. So yeah, ilatag naman na natin lahat mga babes, no? Ang energy sa ating table right here for us to be able to get, okay, clearer understanding of what's going on here between you and this person here that you're dealing with or that you have dealt with in the past. So let's see. Okay? So just take how this resonates with you guys. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey there mga My Loves Collective! Thank you so much sa patuloy at wala talaga ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to. At sa mga new subscribers, yan, no, thank you so much. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome, welcome kayo dito sa aming community. And syempre, no, if you wish na mag-subscribe here, no, I would love it. Pero syempre, wala namang pilitan rito. Kung gusto ninyong tumambay muna rito, no, ng mga ilang beses, go ahead, you can do that, no? You can click that subscribe button anytime you want, no? Pag decided na kayo. Kasi I just want you to get updated, no? Na pag meron tayo ditong newly uploads, no, na video readings, no? Kasi baka meant to hear ninyo ang mga yan. So, yeah, we do have here everyday collective readings. Yes, that's everyday. But for the specific science readings, meron tayo niyan every week. Kaya naman, thank you so much. And also, we do have here a new channel dedicated to Torians. Sa mga spy ni Taurus, yan, pwede rin yan. Ang All About Taurus, the link is in the description box. So that is in English language for us to be able to reach other Taurians or dealing with Taurus all around the globe. So yun nga, no? But this channel, this collective reading is for all signs. Okay? So yeah. So yung nakikita ko nga rito, wala tayong gender, no? Babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay? Just take how this resonates. But someone here is waiting for someone to make a move. Okay? Any movement. But I'm seeing, okay, specifically strongly, swords. matibay na energy. So, nakikita ko rito that someone here is waiting to make a movement related to a very specific communication thing. May mga nasabi, may mga nasabi or may mga sinabi ka na natatandaan niya, yun ang nakikita ko rito. At yun yung I think pinanghahawakan niya rito. Yes. So with the judgment right here, Nine of Swords energy, actually you do have here swords strongly, no? Almost clarifying each other. So I do pick up right here that you've said something to this person, no? Na yun yung pinanghahawakan niya. Yes, and when we say pinanghahawakan, what does it mean? It only means na yun yung parang kinakapitan niya, no? Nagbibigay ng pag-asa, nagbibigay ng hope sa kanya rito. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, you know what? I'm seeing that everything, no? Kahit pagkain, alam mo sa example ng pagkain, di ba? You cannot keep, okay, a fresh meat inside a refrigerator, no, for a long time, isn't it? Kasi kahit ilagay mo yan sa ref, mga babes, no, what will happen? Yeah, you can preserve that meat, pero hindi mo na masusure, no, na pag hindi mo yan niluto agad or hindi mo yan kinuha dyan or hindi mo yan kinain agad, what will happen? Yeah, frozen yan, pero so, ayun, sorry about that commercial, mga babes, no? I need to pick up the call, no? Since dito sa cellphone ko tumawag. Commercial. So, yun nga, no? Sorry about that. So, syempre kailangan ko tanggalin, no? So, yeah. So, go back tayo rito sa pinag-uusapan natin, no? So, syempre, hindi mo naman pwedeng i-stock yung meat, no? Sa loob ng refrigerator for long time. Okay? Kahit ma-preserve mo pa, no, na hindi yun masira, ano na yun? Hindi na yun fresh, 'di ba? It's not fresh, no? As new. And of course, okay, yung mga pagkain is anong nakikita dyan? Expiration date, 'di ba? So, syempre, hindi mo naman yan pwedeng i-stock for too long, no, at kainin yan kasi kahit ang mga foods may expiration date. So, dito, nakikita ko, no, na with the judgment right here, definitely this is someone from the past. You've mentioned a very specific thing to this person. You've communicated something na natatandaan niya up until now. Okay? Parang this is the type of word. Meron kang sinabi na pinanghahawakan niya rito. Pero syempre, may expiration din date din ang lahat. At ang change ay isa sa permanenteng bagay sa mundo, sa earth, 'di ba? So, hindi mo pwede yun na parang paghintayin ng matagal or hindi mo pwede yun panghawakan ng matagal, no? Lalo na kung meron ditong matibay na dahilan upang ito ay bitawan. Anong ibig mo sabihin dun, Miss Yan? We have here the Nine of Swords energy and there you go. You've got the Ten of Swords right at the middle of this reading. So, whoever this individual is, ano man yung sinabi mo sa kanya, which sounds like positive yun, yes. You've mentioned, you've said, okay, something positive with this person here in the past, na yun yung pinanghahawakan at pinanggagalingan ng maliit na pag-asa niya rito. But you know what? Whatever that is, I do pick up that, this is you, okay, na hindi na yun importante sa'yo. Wala nang visa, hindi na yun valid, nag-expired na ano man yung sinabi mong positibo sa kanya noon. Okay? Whether that's something here, okay, that this person is holding deep within his or her heart, it's not valid anymore. Ayan. So, meron kang sinabi na hindi na yun sa'yo mahalaga, hindi na yun importante, you're not giving any importance to it, no? Hindi na yung significant sa'yo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, collective. So, yeah, kung sino man siya rito, I do see that this person already approach others of you. And you tend to, what? Hindi mo pinansin. Okay? Hindi mo pinansin. So, pwedeng nag-message na yun sa'yo, nag-reach out na yun sa'yo, pero hindi mo pinansin. Pero pinanghahawakan niya pa rin dito. No? You're appearing here to this person as someone na mabait, na nakikita ka niya as someone na mabait, no? Or isang mabuti ritong tao, which is I do see, it's a yes. Pero yun nga, no, kahit gaano ka pa kabait, no, kahit tinalong pa sa kabaitan si San Pedro, ang pasensya mo nauubos. Yes, no? Ang pasensya mo nauubos at hindi ka rin exempted sa pagbabago. So, nakita ko rito nagbago ka, no? And you view this person here as this. Yan, no? Alam mo, ito yung na-capture ng attention ko dyan. Lapit ko para makita mo. Ayan, no? People, basa, nasa baba. Ayan, no? Ayon sa talata na nakasulat sa ilalim. People do it, ayaw ma-focus. People do it all the time. So, yan. So, this is you. Kahit na patuloy ka niyang kino-contact now, okay, habang may ginagawa ka, no, tumatawag siya sa'yo, or um, is others of you na pinupuntahan niya kayo, no, nag-reach out na siya sa inyo, you're not paying attention. It's like yung iba sa inyo, sinabi niyo na sa kanya, no, na parang um, hindi na tayo okay like before, like we cannot go back to um to what we used to have before. The feelings did change. Sinabi mo na yun sa kanya. No? At yung iba sa inyo, sasabihin nyo na yun sa kanya. Yan, no? It's like parang ito sa'yo, Ace of Swords energy, Two of Swords. Ace of Swords to the Two of Swords energy. Okay. This person is expecting you na na gawin mo pa rin kung ano yung binanggit mo sa kanya noon. Ano man yun, no? Sounds really, really good to his or her ears. Kasi para pang hawakan mo ang isang pangako na ibig sabihin, pinaniniwalaan niya pa rin ito na tutuparin mo pa rin ito someday. Okay? So it looks like this is this person's pangarap now. Okay? And when we say pangarap, what is that? Okay? Pangarap na gustong maabot, 'di ba? Pangarap na gustong makamtan or ma-receive. So yun yung gusto niya, no? That pangarap will be coming to you. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. So this is you. I do not see na maibibigay mo pa yun sa kanya because you are already receiving here, okay, a lot of new opportunities coming your way. Ayan, no? Gumagawa ka na rito, no, ng, yan, no? Tignan mo, no? Looks like a red carpet to me. Mukhang marami ditong success sa'yo, no? And you're stopping this person here. Okay, you're stopping this person here na dyan lang siya, na hindi na siya makaka-cross over sa iyong mundo, no? And you're telling this person to stop everything that he or she is doing. Stop coming to you, stop talking to you, stop liking you, which is I do feel na nasasaktan siya doon, no? You know that kind of feeling, no? When a person you like do not like you back, no? Or this person here is, you know what, you're telling him or her, no, na wag ka nang gustuhin, wag ka nang mahalin, wag nang umasa, no. So, yun nga kasi yun, no, meron ka ditong mga bagay na nasabi sa kanya siya. Yun nga yun. Kaya naman pala, it's a pangako because we heard the song, maghihintay na lamang ba ang puso kong umaasa sa iyong mga pangako, oh, pangako, oh, pangako. So yeah, nangako ka sa kanya kind of thing. So, yung pangako na yun, expired yun. Diba? Lalo na kung ang tagal na, we have here the judgment energy. And this person did betray you, nakatato na yun sa pagkatao mo. And with that people do it again, this is you, you're claiming already na, ay, uulitin niya lang rin naman yan. Fear. Yan na yung tumatak sa'yo, yan na yung nakatato sa'yo. People do it all the time. Pag pinatawad mo sila after ilang months, after ilang years, ilang weeks, they're gonna go back with their old ways. Yun na yung nakatatak sa'yo. Yun yung itinatak ng tao na to, no? Sa sa'yo, sa isipan mo, 'no, sa'yo rito, 'no, yun na yung tingin mo sa kanya, like hindi na siya magbabago ever. Parang patawarin ko siya ngayon, pagbigyan ko siya ngayon, this person will still go back, will do it anyway, once again, sa'yo. Kaya ayaw mo na ng gano'n, okay? With the Knight of Wands energy, alam mo, if age is present here, nakikita ko na magkaedad lang kayo, pero sa maturity level, 'no, mas nag-improve ka. And with the Page of Pentacles energy here, you're starting here your new journey. At mas nakikita ko rito, mas na gumagawa ka ng action patungkol dyan, no? So, ikaw, inaantay ka niya na gumawa ka ng action, no, na makipag-communicate sa kanya, no, regarding that pinangako mo kind of thing, no? But, see, Three of Cups in reverse, kahit friendship, hindi mo yun kayang ibigay sa kanya. Reconciliation, hindi. Ni makita, ayaw mo siyang makita. Yeah, because with the Strength card right here, Six of Swords and Wheel of Fortune, this is you questioning this person. Ngayon pa, gusto mo ko mag-U-turn? Ngayon, gusto mo ko mag-U-turn? Yan, let's see the next thing. Yeah, Queen of Wands energy. This is you. Alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo, sure na sureness ka na kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha, maabot, sure ka na sa mga pangarap mo at mga bagay na gusto mo magstay sa life mo, and this person is not included anymore, no? And with the Strength card, nahirapan akong i-weave yung sarili ko, nahirapan akong buuhin yung sarili ko. Ngayon na nakakabangon na ako, nakakapagsimula na akong muli, this is you, you want me to return here to that life that I had with you. Like, this is you, I only remember the bad memories with you. Hindi ko na naaalala yung mga magagandang alaala ko sa'yo. Yeah, and that causes this person here too much pain. See, you stop liking this person. You stop loving this person. You only remember the bad memories this person had with you. Why? Because this person did betrayed you. Kung anumang klaseng pag-betrayed yun, masakit yun for you. Because you're telling me here, you're conveying me right here na nahirapan kang i-weave or buuhin ang sarili mo. It's like this is you. If babalik ako sa kanya, pupulutin ko ulit yung sarili ko rito ng isa-isa. Ayaw ko nang bumalik sa ganong klase ng energy. Yan. So, this is you, mas nakikita kitang gumagawa ng action ngayon, no, na walang kinalaman sa kanya. But this person here is waiting for that pangako, no, na i-fulfill mo here. But I do not see it. Natutuparin mo pa yon. Kasi kagaya ng pagkain, expired ngayon. So, yeah. Collective, I know, kakatapos lang ng Pasko at sasalubungin niyo ang bagong taon, no? Pero mas nakikita kong sasalubungin itong taon na to ang bagong taon, no? Nang nasasaktan siya, no? Habang nakikita kanyang lumalayo sa kanya lalo. So, yeah, thank you so much, Collective. Sarang kayo mga may love. Anyo.